Hi guys, Mike here, and review on the Stanley Fatmax waterproof toolbox. This is rated to IP53. Has two nice big chunky metal latches that you can put a padlock through either side on either one. Nice robust carry handle. Also has a slot here for cutting out wood or pipe work. You can get your wood on, get your foot across it and give it a nice cut there. Once these are open, you'll see the nice big rubber seal all the way around the lid, which gives you that waterproof. Now the main downside I found of this toolbox is the fact that because it's a cantilever box, you do need all that space to open it up, as these two drawers slide back all the way. You can move these around to change the layout of the drawers sizes and that, but I found that shape works for me. The bottom is nice and deep, you can fit plenty in here. I do have a full set of screwdrivers, ratchets and spanners and that all the way in the bottom of there. But nice box, nice size, and it does fold out small, and I like boxes where you can find everything easy rather than having to dig through, and I find these two drawers do help with that. I think I paid 27 quid from this from B&Q. You can get it from Screwfix, but it is £40. But all in all guys, a nice box, and would definitely recommend it for keeping yourself dry if you're working outside all day. Thanks guys.